In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WeTransfer.com. Now, WeTransfer is a website which allows you to upload files and send them to your friends for free. Now, as you can see, the free version allows you to send up to 2 gigabytes of free files, but that's more than enough for most daily things you'd like to send. Now, the first thing you want to do is select the file you'd like to send. Click up here where it says Upload Files, and then select one. I have a random voiceover audio clip here, which I want to send. Click on Open, and then you have to type in the email you'd like to send it to. Now, you can send it up to 3 friends at once. You just type in their emails. So let's say I want to send it to myself, theinstanthowto@gmail.com. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is type in your own email. I just copied it, and then the title is, you can change it or leave it as it is, and then a custom message. Let's say I want to put in, hey, this is for you. Now, this is the first option, and then you can click transfer, and it's gonna automatically upload and send it to your friends via the email. But the second option you have is by clicking these 3 dots down here, and you can select a get transfer link. Now, we've had send email transfer, but you can also get a transfer link you can send to anyone, and they can download the files from down here. Now, let's say I want to get this transfer link, and then just simply, again, you have uploaded files in here, and then you just press get a link, and now it's only 5 megabytes, so it's gonna upload quickly for me, and then it starts finalizing. When it's done, it says almost there, have to wait a little bit, and there it is. Now, as you can see, that's your link, and what you do is then press on copy link, and you can just send it to anyone you'd like to, and when they put that in there, as you can see, they can download the voiceover or the whatever file you've put in there by clicking download, and then just simply opening it from their downloads, and that's it.